Good morning, peeps. Welcome to another day with Mac and Jazz, trucking with Jazz. We are in
Casa Fruta.
Casa de la Fruta, California, and lunch. She got nachos with rice and green sauce like she like, and I have me a mega burrito. This is my cup. So to give you guys a reference, this is my coffee cup, and my burrito is bigger than my coffee cup. So we're gonna sit and get closer, give you guys.
Get her a little view. If we were sitting on that side, it would have been better lighting, but it's okay.
Somebody wanted to be in the sun, so
yeah, I did.
I'm ready.
She gonna just mess up her shirt. I should get her a bib, guys. A bib. Make sure you chew 99 times before you swallow. No choking hazards.
So I put barbacoa, arroz, frijoles negros, lechuga, pico de gallo, salsa roja, queso, crema, and guacamole. And it tastes delicious.
Me put arroz and verde. No, green is
Salsa verde.
salsa verde. See, I knew I was here.
Wow. Work in progress. Give you guys a look.
Yep.
My burrito look like. Freaky hot.
Oh, it's hot.
It's burning, flaming hot.
San Antonio, Texas.
She needs to pop open her nacho and stop eating this damn rice by herself. What kind of rice is it? Chinese rice. Girl, Mexican rice.
Nobody slow. Yeah, no, maybe so.
Let me see the map. What it says with the description. What's the description? Is there a secure load? Yep. And the delivers one?
On the pick up 7, live on the 8.
California or what? California?
San Antonio, Texas.
To Tennessee. Take it, see what happens.
Best to get out the area.
Oh, Lord, it's hot.
You should have stayed on the side so you could have sprayed a little bit. She scooped it and
She thought I was Mexican. Like, you can handle it. Here you go.
she realized I couldn't handle this.
That was spicy.
Yeah, it's spicy. On the other side, but
Well, hey, for them, that's no spicy.
I know.
So when she said it's spicy, I'm like, I'm concerned. Yeah, peeps. Normally Mexicans like base food very spicy. When they tell you it's mild, it's spicy. When they tell you it's no spice, it is actually spicy.
So what you guys think? Whose stuff is more spicier? Do you feel Mexicans cook spicier food than Indians? Drop a comment below and let us know. Say it in Spanish for people.
¿Cuál comida es más picante? ¿Cuál es la comida que pica más? Si alguien sabe, dejen un comentario, déjenos saber. La comida india, comida jamaiquina, la comida mexicana o la comida, what's the other country? Haitian, los haitianos.
Haitians don't cook really with hot stuff.
So Mexicans don't cook with spicy stuff. They add it to it. Like they have
that's
sauce
what I
to
mean.
add it to it.
so far. For me, the hottest food I tried from a culture would be Indian to me first, and then I would say Mexican, like putting using their seasoning, not their seasons, but their sauces. It's hot.
You haven't tried camarones a la diabla.
Look, my nose is running. What is that?
It was a spicy shrimp cocktail.
Woo.
I ordered that one time. I couldn't eat it.
What about that cold cocktail you have with the?
Oh, that's delicious.
It look hot, but you say it's not hot. It's hot.
Yeah, it's on the mild side.
Yeah, because you know you can't have spicy foods like that. Ever since she got her her gallstone removed, gallbladder removed, they told her she can't have spicy stuff, but she still
We
be
have
over
to
here.
change because they
Can't see us. Let's pause, guys.
Let me have the box.
Hey guys, so we had to move a little bit, so yeah, y'all can be able.
So one thing I noticed about California that they transition everything to like eco-friendly